guys, welcome back to Munaka channel. Today I will show you around Koh Pha Ngan, but now we are at Koh Samui at Thailand Pier. We're gonna travel by Lompraya boat. Our boat gonna come about 4:30 and we're gonna be arrived at 5. Yes. If you come here, you can call them to pick you up at the pier. It takes like around 15 minutes to get to this resort.
The view from there was pretty amazing. This is where we eat breakfast, and here's resort's swimming pool.
Thank you. Wow! We have outdoor living room. Oh, here's a kitchen part.
If you like to stay here, think about it again.
Inside the room, a closet.
We also get dinner at this resort tonight. Their food's surprisingly good because food with great views isn't always good. You know what I mean? It's my snack time. I need snacks. One thing to know if you're in Thailand is that you shouldn't stay outside in a place like this for a long time because there are a bunch of mosquitoes. They are monsters.
Guys, let's check morning view at our hotel. Gorgeous. We're about to go swimming at Hat Salad or Salad Beach. But first of all, we have to ask our reception if there's any rental motorcycle nearby, because you know, when you come to Koh Pha Ngan, taxi is quite expensive. So I'd love to recommend you rent a motorcycle. Even a staff told me yesterday who picked us up at the pier. He said taxi here is more expensive than the taxi in Koh Samui.
Salad Beach pretty clean, and when you swim here you should be careful of sea urchins and rocks. We found a bar at Smehart area called Heaven, where you can enjoy splendid ocean view while getting a drink. There are waterfalls in Koh Pha Ngan. Near the bar is Namtok Wang Sai is quite impressive.
This is our second night in Koh Pha Ngan. We are getting vegan food at Taste from Heaven. Let's see what we order tonight. Maybe you will be interested because I know one of my viewers asked me to show vegan restaurant in Thailand.
The food here is okay good. The thing that I love about this restaurant is that they serve people brown rice and purple rice.
Do you see the sand over there? We can walk from Koh Pha Ngan to Koh Ma. From Koh Ma, you can go up to the top and you will see the view of Koh Pha Ngan. From Hat Salat that we stay is very close. Take about 10 minutes to get here. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my video to your friends who want to come to Koh Pha Ngan or other parts of Thailand. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye!